Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We are going to be doing a large family what we eat in a day. So I'm going to take you along with us today and just show you guys what we eat. Now I'm a little late because the kids have already eaten breakfast. Typically we don't do fancy breakfasts during the week, do we? So the kids eat like some Honey Nut Cheerios with milk. We have yogurt and bananas, and that's what they do for breakfast. And we all kind of get up at different times, so the kids don't eat breakfast necessarily at the same time during the week. So that's how we work breakfast. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to have for breakfast. I actually have been making chocolate peanut butter shakes. This is Trim Healthy Mama-ish. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do, and I drink this while we begin school. And this is after my morning coffee. So for this smoothie, I am going to use half of a banana, some peanut powder, cocoa powder, pure, and protein powder, and almond milk. So I'm working on lunch. I've got lunch made for 3 kids. These are just grilled cheese sandwiches, grapes, pepper strips, and strawberries. The baby doesn't eat pepper strips, so he just has some cut up strawberries and grapes. This is for my 3-year-old. Hang on. And the other 3 boys want something different, so I'm fixing to start working on their lunch also. My lunch, I'm just having some mini bell peppers, and this is my own like little pizza wrap grilled type thing. It's just a Joseph's lavash bread, some pizza sauce, mozzarella, and ham because I don't have pepperoni, and I fried it up in a little bit of butter. So that is my lunch. Hey guys, so I thought I would do something there. Thought I would do a quick update on where we're at with like snack time. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This is generally around the time that we do snack. The kids have already had snack, most of them anyway, and they just had chips and salsa, something super simple. I'm having my afternoon coffee with some cream and some sugar-free vanilla syrup, and then I found a recipe online. I'll try to link it down below. It's for like a single serve sugar-free chocolate chip cookie. Mine's not totally sugar-free because the chocolate chips are regular chocolate chips, but I'll go ahead and show you that. So this is what it looks like. You microwave it, and I mean, I haven't tasted it yet, so we'll see. It definitely doesn't feel like a cookie, but we'll see what it tastes like. I really like coffee and cookies. That's kind of like my weakness, so we will see if it's any good. And my kids just had some thick and chunky salsa with some tortilla chips. Hey guys, so it's the very end of the day. I just finished making dinner. I made a 1-pot meal. Well, it's not really 1-pot meal, but once I mix it all up, it's a 1-pot meal. And I'll show you what that is. So I made this chicken fried double rice from the Trim Healthy Table cookbook. And this is what mine looks like. I didn't have any carrots, so we're missing the carrots. And I'm only gonna put the green onions on people's bowls who want some. I may make some dessert later for the kids. I'm not sure yet, just depends. I gotta get the table ready so everybody can eat. That is a look at our meals today. So if you enjoyed this video, if you like these types of videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we will talk to y'all later. Bye.